first job was at a grocery.
Something nice for your kids. Oh, you're
replacing it with this. We added these lights. You got the groceries? Grocery store. Tomato. All right, you gotta go buy. You gotta go pay for it with Daddy. Go pay for it with Daddy. Go through the line. All right, sir. How much is this?
How much, Faith?
I need a gallon of milk. I got milk. Okay, how much? How much is it?
You know, my first job was at a grocery store, and they never let me on the register. Ma'am, ma'am, where's your we don't take EBT here, ma'am. Sorry. Actually, you were declined, ma'am. Do you have another form of payment?
I don't have any more payment.
Look, ladies, you're holding up the line.
just trying to get to the museum and do something nice for your kids. Oh, you're working so hard. And then just open up your wings and coast. You can do that. Just let the air carry you. Part of the community. And then you flap your wings. Oh, maybe you're starting daycare.
Hey, girls, look up.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Hey, Summer.
Look at Daddy. Jesus. You're okay. Out of this room. Out of this room. Oh, we're stuck. Oh, look. God saved us.
I welcome Big in Summer. Good job. Get up. Kick. And now do your kung fu pose. Kung fu pose. Good job, Chris. Give yourself a round of applause. All right. We're going to do a high action motion. So now it's time for us to slow it down a little bit and do some fun motions on the ground with our yoga mats. So Miss Lucky and I are going to pass out some mats.
Look at this. So our new rug arrived, y'all. I absolutely love it. We got it from Amazon and it's a washable rug, so I like that aspect of it. And you can just like pick it up and throw it in the wash machine. So this is our old rug, as you can see, and we are replacing it with this. So this is the rug that I really wanted and that I really like. And if you notice, we have done a few other things to the house. Nothing major, but let me turn you around and show you. We added some wall sconces onto the wall here, and then I added a few more pillows to the sofa. I'm not done. But yeah, so that's a little bit that we've been doing. I'm trying to like, oh, also we changed out the curtains in our house. Oh, and I added this plant here. And if you've been watching for a while, you remember this plant. This was pre-kids. So I have a lot of furniture that I have actually put away in storage since having the girls. If I remember, I will pop a picture of what our living room used to look like before the girls, but we had a coffee table, you know, all the things. And then of course, they came, so we had to like rearrange things and put things away. But now that they're getting older, yeah, now that they're getting older, you know, we can slowly start bringing some of our furniture pieces out, you know, knickknacks, decor pieces out that I feel like they won't break. So this is a little bit of that. And like I said, we did add the wall. We added these light wall sconces to the wall. These were like a good deal too. We got a pack of 2 for $50. So I thought that was like a steal, child. And at night they look so cute. They have a 3 like a dimmer on it, so the light, you know, goes up and down. And I just love it. And when it's like, you know, when we're watching TV or a movie late night, we'll turn this on and it's nice and cozy without having to turn on the big chandelier light or the recessed lighting. Because we have recessed lighting here as well in the ceilings. So yeah, I just wanted to pick up the camera really quickly and just show you guys that. And then I will continue to bring you along as we, you know, change things around in the house. We're supposed to get the house painted soon. We're doing some fun things in our backyard. I'm so excited about that. Also, quick update. If you're wondering why I'm holding this, not camera, but phone, my tripod broke. So I had to also get a new tripod. So there's just a lot going on. So I just wanted to pick up the phone really quickly and just chit chat with y'all and say hi. I'll talk to you later. All right, y'all, so I picked this up. I thought these was really cute. They're like little Valentine's Day cups, disposable cups. I got this for my oil at home to like hold my oil in. I thought this was so cute. And this is $3.99. Found this little makeup bag, this little Jessica Simpson bag I might get. I don't know yet. I also found this wreath I like. And I found a couple other wreaths that I like, so I'm just deciding on them. All right, y'all. Let's see what else TJ Maxx has. I haven't been in TJ Maxx in forever. So let's see what they have. All right, I'm not gonna go down the baby aisle. I was going to, but the girls don't really need anything. You know, we're just coming off of Christmas, so they pretty much have everything they need. They don't need anything else. Y'all, I came to the shopping center to get sausage. Why am I even in TJ Maxx? That's why. I'm looking for some wreaths to go in my house, like on a few doors on the inside of my house, and then I found a wreath on the outside of my house, you know, on the door, my front door, that I think is really cute. You know, it's February, spring is, I know it's snowing, but spring is still creeping in, so, or at least I want to feel like spring is coming in. So I bought a few door wreaths. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. You know, I'm hosting my mom group again, and our first meeting is in 2 days. So, and it's Valentine's themed, so that's why I picked these up. I thought these was cute. These little like cups, these disposable cups, for them to take with them, because you know I'll have like coffee and pastries and stuff. So yeah, I didn't really see too much. Which is good because your girl needs to stay on budget. This is my outfit of the day. I'm just coming from church. This is the end of our fast. I was fasting for 21 days, y'all. I was fasting for 21 days. So this is the last day of it. So I'm just coming from church. And like I said, I came in here for sausage. I came in the shopping center for sausage, and I somehow ended up in TJ Maxx. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Just like a crew neck sweatshirt, mom jeans, and then my sneakers. And then I have my YSL bag. And then my big old hat. Because it's so cold outside, y'all. So yeah, I just picked up a few things. And now I'm going to go into mom's, and then I'm headed home. Bye.